When it comes to using the AI agent-based applications, the regular client can't just access your environment variables to set them up. What if I tell you I know the way for secure storing and reusing the API keys for your application users? What is the ZeroID API key storage? It's the tool to keep your application users' API keys safe. Let's see how it's working and take a look at the example of Baby AGI integration. Here is the chat-like application that uses the power of AI agents to answer the questions. However, if the user doesn't provide his OpenAI API key, it doesn't work. To have the access to the ZeroID API key widget, we must insert it with the script tag. Then prepare your dedicated HTML element for the widget to get placed into. Now we can initialize the widget and make it visible to the users. All we need to do is to write a couple lines of JavaScript. And now we can see the My Keys button. This is the initial state of our widget. Once clicked, the user of your application will be requested to provide his MetaMask wallet signature. Once authorized, the user will see his key management panel. Here he can add, update, and remove his OpenAI API key. Alright, the user has provided his API key for us. Let's take a look. How can we retrieve it within a code? First of all, I'd like to pass this API key to Baby AGI to make it working. I will just attach the action to the send button. When user presses the button, I want to retrieve his API key. Once done, I will pass it to the send message function. The send message function is the Baby AGI function taking the API key and user's data to send it to OpenAI. We see no errors anymore because the API key was properly passed to Baby AGI. Furthermore, I can use this API key any way I want. For example, instead of triggering the Baby AGI, I can show the message, which states for API key is and the first 5 symbols of the key itself. And that was the ZeroID key storage.